Hello and welcome. I'm back on Bobby's Evo and I've followed the rust down to the sill. I've cut away the previous repairs and started making repair pieces. So I'm still working on this. I'll cut the top straight and I'll fit it underneath the good metal there on the sill. This is not a jacking point. It'll collapse when used as one. The jack damages the sill and then the chassis leg, so I'm going to remove it. I've cut the leg and I'll try and chisel off the welded top. It's a bit difficult banging from underneath. Right, that's off. I'll clean the metal up and patch that hole. You can see the sill damage, and there's a piece of the leg on the back I'll have to get off as well. I'm sorry to go on, but this really isn't a jacking point. I can save the top of the inner sill area. I've just cut away the bottom. I will put fresh metal in the floor edge as well. I'm making a new sill section. It's good. It just needs a tickle up. And I'll cut the top of it to fit under the good section. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.